Previously on The Other Chef.
So, about a year ago, I endured in a 3 Scandinavian country tour, and those countries were Iceland, Sweden, and Denmark. So, this is part 1 of that series when I embark into my first country, Iceland.
Hey guys, just got here, just got through customs. I want to show you the first stamp. Hey everyone, so I ate at a restaurant, actually a food hall, and it was pretty good. Pictures were probably on Facebook and Instagram. It was a bacon wrapped Arctic char with grape salad with some roasted tomato. Very good, like very simple, clean flavors. The grapes were kind of unusual, but it cut through the richness of the Arctic char and the bacon. Bacon was cooked crisp to perfection. The Arctic char was perfectly medium rare, not overcooked, not undercooked. It was perfect. So anyway, the local was telling me about this bathhouse that's not even 1,000 kronar. It was actually 980 kronar, and it was actually not far away from my hostel, and I decided to check it out. And let me tell you something, that was a awesome experience. Like, it was just like going to a spa. The geothermal pools were amazing. Yeah, Blue Lagoon has nothing on that. Now, I will probably still do the Blue Lagoon, just to say I did the Blue Lagoon, but if I remember back in Reykjavik, I know exactly where I'm going. So, I am getting ready to go to the waterfront to check out the sunset. It is a little cloudy, and so no northern lights.
I feel the frostbite. Y'all, I'm going in some really, really hot water, like 40 degrees centigrade, which is about 82 degrees. That was amazing.
Completely opposite way.
Oh yeah. Just left Golden, which was the golden waterfall, and we're getting ready to go see the geyser. So my tour guide just told me that ever since the volcanic eruption in 2014, geyser is actually inactive, but Strophos, which is another active site, is actually the closest alternative. Yes, I got it. Hey guys, this is my last evening in Reykjavik, Iceland before I head out to Stockholm tomorrow. But right across from my hostel where I'm staying at, there's a cool little food hall place. It's called Hemler Methal. So it's actually a food hall that has multiple different types of cuisine. There's a coffee shop, Mexican cuisine, ice cream that's made with liquid nitrogen, pretty awesome. A wine bar. There's also a really good modern twist on some of the Icelandic cuisine. A Italian place which is unfortunately closed today, and a Vietnamese place. So we're gonna go straight in, and I'm gonna give you guys a quick tour. I've eaten here for the last day and a half at pretty much most of the places. Got some coffee, got some pastry. Oh, they're also closed today too. Well, they're already closed for the evening because they're mostly a bakery. But you know, had a really nice pastry, and then after that I had a chance to check out some of the other things. But well, let's go in. And here we go. So we're going to go straight in, and we're going to go clockwise, starting with the coffee shop. And it's actually a franchise, micro roast tea and cafe. Pretty good display of pastries here. Okay, and then also their coffee program. There we go. There's bread and company. This is the bread shop or pastry shop that I told you guys about. So here is Hefler and Hempen. This is the liquid nitrogen ice cream place. Okay, you can see their operation. Cool. Look at that. He's making it literally with liquid nitrogen, the base that they made ahead of time. Really cool. Gonna see if I can get a little overhead shot. Amazing. So what he's doing now is the more he adds, the quicker it's going to crystallize or reduce the ice crystal formation of the custard. And now it's almost getting there. Nice. Oh wow, now it's starting to finishing up. Cool, so now it's done. And he's gonna add some toppings with that. And I think he's gonna add some white chocolate, his recommendation. Nice. So this is one of the open-faced sandwiches that they're probably just open for lunch. I had their stuff yesterday. It was actually really good. And here is their wine bar. Okay, pretty good. There's also a juice shop here and a smoothie bar. Sorry, here. Pretty good stuff. Lots of great ingredients. Oh, this is also a grocery store. Is it? Is it also a grocery store? I'm sorry?
Vegetables?
Okay. Wow, I did not know that. I wish I knew that now. Because I could have shopped here and bought some stuff to cook at the hostel. I'll remember that next time I come in the summer. Tech. Oh, they also have really good soups here too. That I did have last night. It was amazing. So let me tell you something about this place. This is a water closet. So, but here's the cool thing. You see that? So you must have a receipt here to be able to use it. You even read the instructions. You must have access code, right? We'll have to pay. So here in Iceland it cost 200 Icelandic kroner, which is about $2. So pretty crazy, but that actually gives an accountability. There's obviously an ATM machine. This is the Italian restaurant that's unfortunately closed. Pretty open stall, really cool. So here's the Vietnamese restaurant that I'm checking out. So there are the prices. Their pho is actually really good. It's sold out. Plenty of seating. Great view of the city. Once again, plenty of seating. Oh look, let's zoom in real quick. They got a couple of games in here. Cool. Really nice. And then the last two places is a place that I ate last night. Crust. And very open kitchen. Menu's actually pretty good. Let's look at the menu real quick. So let me show you what I had last night. I had right there, the grilled bacon wrapped Arctic char. It's actually really, really good. So finally, we're gonna continue on and check out more of the kitchen. It's a really nice open bar system, really nice. And then finally a Mexican restaurant, and they serve some really good burritos and tacos yesterday. I actually had one yesterday, really cool. And there you have it, everyone. So hopefully you guys enjoyed that quick tour. Hey everyone, so I'm gonna take a try at the Icelandic licorice and white chocolate ice cream that I just previously filmed. But here's the ice cream. Really cool. It has a little bit of white chocolate flake on there. And we're gonna try it out right now. So because of the liquid nitrogen, there's literally no sugar crystals, which is a super smooth texture. The white chocolate they actually recommend was spot on. Very good. So good. Alright guys, more to follow. Hey guys, so
tonight's my last night in Iceland, and I am going to get ready to pack up for Stockholm. My flight is 7 in the morning.